Okay, so the first thing, let me start by writing the solution. So the first thing we do, the question says 2a minus 3b is equal to 4c. So first, we look for 2a. After we find 3b, we find 4c, and then we substitute it into this equation which has been given to us. So let's start with 2a. 2 is a scalar, so we are multiplying the scalar by the matrix A. So that means we are multiplying 2 by every element in the matrix A. So this will be 2 times the matrix A. And what is the matrix A? It is A, 2, 3, 7. So that is our matrix A. So here we multiply 2 by every element in the matrix. So this will be 2 times A, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 7. So now we just simplify this. This is 2a, 4, 6, and 14. So this is 2a. Okay, we have 2a. Let's go to the next, 3b. Again, 3 is a scalar, so we multiply the scalar by the matrix B. So this will be 3 times the matrix B. And the matrix B is 2, 4, B2. So now we multiply the 3 by every element. So 3 times 2, 3 times 4, 3 times B, and 3 times 2. Now we simplify it. So here we have 6, we have 12, we have 3b. B is an unknown value, so we need to write it like that. And we have 6. Okay, so this is 3b. Now let us also find 4c. So the same thing, it is 4 times the matrix C. What is the matrix C? Minus 1c and 3, 2. So we multiply 4 times minus 1, 4 times c, 4 times 3, and 4 times 2. So our 4c is minus 4, 4c, 12, and 8. Okay, so now that we have our 2a, 3b, and 4c, so let's go back to the equation. We are asked to find the value of a, b, and c given this. So let me write that back. So it is 2a minus 3b equal to 4c. So we are asked to find the value of a, b, and c. But we are told that 2a minus 3b is equal to 4c. So first, let us compute 2a minus 3b, sorry. So what was our 2a? It was 2a, 4, 6, and 14. And then minus, what is our 3b? 6, 12, 3b, and 6. So that is our 3b. Now let us do the subtraction. So in doing subtraction, we subtract elements which are common in both matrices, that is, are at the same position. So we are subtracting similar entries. So this and this are on the same position, so we can subtract them. This and this we can subtract, this and this we can subtract, and this and this we can subtract. So we are going to have 2a minus 6, 4 minus 12, 6 minus 3b, and 14 minus 6. So now we just simplify. So here 2a minus 6, we leave it like that because there's nothing we can do about that. 2a minus 6, 4 minus 12 is minus 8, 6 minus 3b, we leave it like that. And 14 minus 6 is 8. So this is 2a minus 3b. So 2a minus 3b is equal to 4c. So we have our 2a minus 3b, which is 2a minus 6 minus 8, 6 minus 3b, and 8. So this is equal to 4c. So what was our 4c? It was minus 4, 4c, 12, and 8. So this brings us to equality of matrices. Now the matrices are equal, so each element which have the same position in each matrix is equal. So this is equal to this is equal to this is equal to this, and 8 is equal to 8. Okay, so since we are to find the value of a, b, and c, we can take this equal to this and find a. So it will be 2a minus 6 equal to minus 4. We can also take this equal to this to find b. So it is 6 minus 3b equal to 12. And we can take this equal to this to find c. So minus 8 equal to 4c. Now let's start with the first one. To find a in this case, we can just send this way. So we will have 2a equal to minus 4 plus 6. So this gives us 2a equal to 2. And now we divide both sides by 2 since we are to find a, since we are solving for a. So we divide both sides by 2. This cancels, so we are left with a equal to 1. So the value of a is 1. Now let's go to b. To find b here, we need to make it the subject of the formula. So we are solving for b. We could send 6 this way, but this has a minus sign. So to get rid of this minus sign, we would send it this way instead and send 12 this way. So this gives 3b is just going to be, minus 3b equal to 12 minus 6. But this has a minus sign. So since this has a minus sign, we are going to inverse it. So if we inverse it, it will be 3b equal to 6 minus 12. So 3b now is equal to 6 minus 12 is minus 6. And now since we are solving for b, we divide both sides by 3. So our b now is minus 2. Now let's go to c. Here it's very simple. Since we are solving for c, we simply divide both sides by 4. So we have this will cancel, so we have c equal to minus 8 on 4. So this gives us minus 2. So finally, we have succeeded to find the values of a, b, and c. So we can conclude that our a is 1, our b is minus 2, and our c is also minus 2. So this is our answer, and that is how to solve this type of questions. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.